Today I'm making champagne Gruyere fondue. I'm joining my friend Anna at Cooking the Books and trying out fondue.
A couple videos back, I opened up one of my fondue cookbooks and tried a recipe, and it was so much fun that I wanted other people to try to make fondue as well.
So, I'm going to try to make fondue for the first time today, using Crate & Barrel's recipe for champagne Gruyere fondue. I like champagne and I like Gruyere. I love the mix of boozy and creamy, so this has to be good. You can turn on subtitles by pressing the CC button, or check out the full list of ingredients in the video description. So, let's fondue this. So here's what you're going to need for this boozy moo broth. 1 1/4 cups of Gruyere cheese, 1 cup of Swiss cheese, half a cup of Emmentaler cheese, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 clove of garlic, minced, 1/8 teaspoon of fresh nutmeg, and 1 cup of champagne or sparkling wine. In a bowl, we're going to combine our Gruyere. This stuff is gold, so make sure to get all of it in there. The Swiss cheese, and the Emmentaler. Add in some cornstarch and start tossing the cow juice strands to coat evenly. I hate how this feels.
Oh no.
And it gets everywhere. Don't wear black. It's just so dry and squeaky, and it's giving me the chills. Can't do it. This probably would have been a better choice from the start. Oh, much better. Keep tossing your mouggetti until everything looks evenly coated and dusty. Now I'm just going to set this aside and clean up all the squeaky cornstarch. It got freaking everywhere. Now that I'm all tidied up, I feel better and I'm ready to pour my sparkling wine into my electric fondue pot. And obviously, I didn't learn my lesson not to preheat the pot while I was in Mexico. Oh well. Pour all the booze in and bring it up to a simmer. Now we're going to start adding some cheese in batches. Ooh, fizzy. Whisk the cheese in until it's totally melted before adding another small batch. I only have a small handful of cheese in here so far, but this already smells incredible. I just love the combination of boozy and cheesy smells already coming out of this pot. Keep whisking and adding in small batches of the cheese. You're gonna get your wrist workout in for the day. Final batch, and whisk it in. Now to further flavor this, we're gonna dump in the garlic, remembering that sticky things are sticky, and using a spoon to get the rest of it in the pot. The final touch is to add some nutmeg. This will add some nice nuttiness to the fondue. It has such a cool marbled look on the inside, and smells so good. I can't wait to try this. Whisk the garlic and nutmeg into the cow goop, and just look at how good this looks. So creamy and smooth. I'm gonna serve this with some bread cubes and prosciutto wrapped apple slices. I've already cut the bread and sliced my prosciutto in half, and I'm just going to take my apple slices and wrap the prosciutto around them, trying to overlap the edges so it'll stick and seal. It's simple, but it's tasty and will make a great dipper. I love cheese and creamy sauces, and this fondue covers both of those cravings. It smells amazing. It looks super creamy and smooth and came together quickly. Let's try dipping some bread. Get it fully saturated in the decadent mou cream, and it is so good. Let's try a prosciutto wrapped apple slice. Oh, didn't bite all the way through that prosciutto, but equally amazing. I think I was supposed to use a dry wine for this. The one I got based on a suggestion is sweet with soft notes of peach and honey, but I love what it's bringing to the fondue. Those flavors really come through and pair nicely with the cheese and the nuttiness of the nutmeg as well as the dippers. The fondue is thick and creamy, velvety and decadent. The nutmeg adds a slightly sweet, earthy scent and flavor that, again, goes really well with the sweet sparkling wine I chose. And I love seeing the little specks of nutmeg sprinkled throughout the fondue. It's got a little bit of a boozy taste to it, but I think that goes so well with the cheese. This fondue was so easy to make, and I can see why Anna was so eager to share this with others. I'll definitely be trying some more fondue recipes. I hope you'll give this one a try, share a picture on Instagram, and tag me at Michael with 4H's. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to watch another one, you can click the card over on the right. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you around, and I hope to see you all next Thursday.